Okay, so as you can see, we've been able to get the first one out of here. Remember, this requires two, so we're going to drill the next one. I think I'm going to use a little more speed this time with the bit. I can't remember what setting I used, and I think this hole saw has seen better days. Regardless, we're going to go ahead and drill our number 2 mount, and after that we'll go over how I did the inside. So, here we go. Okay, so like last time, we'll pause while I get this out of here, and we'll pick it up when we're ready to make the center holes.